Good evening, everybody. What we have is the ES September E-mini S&P 500 futures. That's right, the futures contract. This is where we have put a bottom in the futures here on the 5-minute on the S&P. Now, it's up 7.75 after a big sell down. We do know that we do have resistance levels that it will have to overcome. Now, generally with volatility is after two big selling days, today being a big selling day, is we can get a pop up with the volatility before you make lower lows. So with the E-mini September 16th futures contract, we can see there where those futures are. If we take a look on just a 15-minute level, and they trade 23 hours a day, it's related to the S&P 500 index. This is what it looks like. This is what the big breakdown was to that low. We've come up, and this is today. They open at 6 p.m., and they will trade all night, all morning. So there'll be lots of movement in them. But what we're looking for is how we test resistance. It will gauge us how the S&P will open up tomorrow. We'll be watching these later tonight, and then when we're up early in the morning, headlines will be coming out. Right now, they're up 7.75. Okay, but there was a big downtrend in the E-mini. So this is that little area today, and this is where we're currently at. Remind you again, they will trade all night and all morning, but we gauge these futures to let us know what kind of bounces, how support looks, so that when we do open up, we know exactly what side of the market to get on the call side. Do we start buying put options? Whatever the case is, these futures are extremely important to know how they work, how they dictate how stocks move up or down. Okay? And so, once again, the E-mini futures are up 8 points after two big down days in a row. So when they go up, then that would make the S&P 500 index go higher.